Hi my sticker friends, thanks for coming to the video. This is my subscription order from Coffee Monsters Co. And this is the Q4 2024 Q4. And this is Snailmail. Oh, I love it! I love it! Oh. Subscription was packed by Amanda. Thanks, Amanda. Oh, this is a lot of stickers. This is really thick. It was shipped out on Tuesday and then I received it on Thursday. Oh, that's so cool. Oh, that's so nice. Okay, now, wow, this is a lot of I can't think, I'm just shocked. There's so much stuff in here. It's awesome. Okay, it's a vinyl. I'll put this one over here. Oh, there's 3 of them. This journal belongs to. I love that. Q4, this is Book Nerd. Oop. Oh, do I have a ruler? About 10, a little bit more than 10, maybe 10 and a quarter. No, 3/4 centimeters. Do I have a ruler with inches? Not close by. Okay. Just for compare. Ooh, wow, that was staticky. Just for comparison. Very, very nice. Now, oh, this feels. Oh! Oh, wow, that's so cool. Okay, so large classic literature doodles. Okay, I don't know, does the hollow sparkles show up? A little bit there. Maybe it needs different lighting. You know how finicky some sparkle stickers are. Oh, whoops. Ooh, these are cute. I wonder how big these ones are. Let's see. About 1 inch, 1 centimeter. Yeah, these are about 1 centimeter. This is on washi paper. Oh, this paper feels kind of weird. It's like super slippery. Oh, these are days of the week. Or like the date dots, date stickers. So 1 to 31. Oh. Wow. Oh. Very nice. It's super smooth. It's super smooth. How should I do this? Like this? Put everything in the middle. Kind of. we are. Beautiful. So that was a Snailmail Q4 subscription. Yeah, I love it. Everything's so cute. And I feel like it's so functional, like these ones. You know, all these really cute book stickers makes me feel like I really need to start reading more. I'm a book purchaser. I just keep purchasing. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for spending time with me, and I hope you have a great day. Bye-bye.